In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your apps clear on iOS 26. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. The first thing I want you to do is go over to your settings application, scroll down until you're at general, click on that, then go to software update. Make sure you're on at least iOS 26. You have to be on iOS 26 to do any of this. If you're not on iOS 26, I suggest updating and then coming back to this video. Once you're done with that, all you want to go ahead and do is just press in a random empty area. So I'm just going to press under the shortcuts button right there. Now I'm going to see all my apps shaking. I can remove anything if I want to. But then on the top left, I'm going to see the edit button. Click on that. Then I have to press customize, which is the second option. Now, if I want to make the apps clear, right now I'm on dark mode. On the right of dark mode, however, is clear. And that's it. They're clear. I can have them in light or dark if I want to. I can even have tinted, which is kind of clear as well, but I can like change the color if I want, or I can just keep it on clear. And you know, you can have light or dark depending on what your preferences are, or you can also have it on auto, which changes it depending on the time of day. I like keeping it on dark though, but it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.